Okay, now there are things that you would not like to see in the partition plan. Well, for one, this one here, I can just edit that and change that to new partition plan. So that's fine. So that's different from the demolition plan because this is in paper space. So I got to copy it here. Now, uh, again, extend this and move M to align. Now, this one here, I can simply delete because, again, we do have a copy in the demolition plan. And then this one, we were able to uh, change already in the previous video. Now, but we don't want to see the lines or hidden lines here. We want it demolished already. So what we can do is go to the layer palette and notice that we have a lot of different layers, right? Some are made by Autodesk, like the depth point layer if you're adding uh, dimensions, so that's automatically created. But here we would like to create a filter. So we did filters already for the ASP for our site. Now we want to create another filter, and you click on the filter button, then you name this, let's say A01. So what if I just want to see all A01 layers? So I'll type A01, oops, 01, click OK. And then the asterisk after, that means anything after that, any letter or number after that will be part of the filter. So now we only have, or we can see only the A01. We also would like to, so Alt P is a shortcut key, also want to create a filter for A01 demolition or demo. So A01 demo, okay. And then click on the name and then type A01 demo. So only layers beginning with A01 demo will appear. So we have a couple here. And then we also would like to create one filter that will only show A01 new. So those that will be part of the new partition list. So A01 new. Now we have one right now. We'll add some more uh, for the other drawing, like the partition itself, the door. Okay, so we'll do that in the next step. Now, so since we now have the demolition filter and we don't want to see those leader text, leader lines, and these dash lines. So all we need to do is uh, go to our, uh, well, number one, we need to be in model space within the layout tab. So that's one thing you need to do. And then select A01 demo. Since this is the layers we do not want to see, we want to freeze, BP freeze, not just the freeze command or option, but you want to viewport freeze those layer. So only here. Oops. So I still have that. Where does this belong? This belong to the A0 text layer. So that should go to the, let's say, demo layer as well. Okay. And do we have another? Yeah. Okay. So let's bring that to the demo layer. So it's frozen here. So now we have a clean area. It's like as if we demolish those walls. And if we go to our demolition plan, they're still there. So in this particular layout, the go back to model space, the layer demo are not BP viewport frozen. So that's a powerful tool for you to use. Okay. So the filter helps us easily identify those layers. And once we have identified those in the proper layout, you can viewport freeze those layers. Okay, now we're ready to uh, now we're ready to add our new partition.